Hello everyone. In this demo video, we will be discussing about Straddle Index. Straddle Index is an option strategy. It is deployed by the buying calls and puts of the same strike of an index or stock. Straddle Index is a tool which helps in tracking the straddle price at various strikes of the index or of the stock. Moving towards the tool, first you can select the symbol as per your accordance, that it can be any index or stock. Let's take Nifty as of now. Then you can select your desired expiry. You have the weekly and the monthly expiry. I am taking the monthly expiry as of now. Then on the right side of it, you can see the future price for your selected symbol and the lot size of your selected symbol. Moving ahead, you can see the strike. Moving ahead, you have all the strikes, and below that there is a straddle as the percentage of the future price. This means the total price to deploy a straddle strategy divided by the future price for your selected symbol. Moving towards the left side, you will have the calls and put, and the last trading price for the calls and the put, and the change in the call and the change in the put. Now, moving towards the right side, you have the straddle and the IV. In the straddle, you have the price. This price is the summation of your call price and the put price. And you can also track the change in the straddle price. Then you have the average IV of your call and put for that particular strike, and the average change in the IV for that particular strike. Lastly, in the same way, you can track the straddle price at the various strike prices of an index or stock, while taking your desired index or stock along with the desired expiry. Thank you.